Stuff I'm sending to Toy Reviews with Grace. Hi everyone, it's me, Katie Cat, and this weekend my cousin Grace slept over. You saw a video I made of her dance routine, if you've been active. And we were discussing, since we do letters to the Easter Bunny, don't judge us, sometimes if you think that's crazy, don't worry, it's just us. We were thinking, let's do a swap with mail. That's the envelope I'm using, but of course I'm not going to show that on camera because we're not allowed to show our addresses. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to give her, and also a speed drawing of the drawing. So I'm going to give her this rainbow loom. My friend Moonwolf sells rainbow looms, so there's this. Send her this bracelet. It's like a St. Patty's Day one. I think she'll like that. This monster high brush. And her sister left this. So yeah, that's what I'm going to send her. So yeah. And now it's gonna be the speed drawing.